Happening now, the civil trial now underway for a nursing student injured in a crash that killed her friends. Let's give you a live look inside the courtroom in Bryan County. Here in the last hour, a doctor testified about the extent of the plaintiff's injuries. The fiery crash in 2015 killed 5 other students. Investigative reporter Aaron Diamond now live in Bryan County, where, Aaron, you've been in the courtroom for some moments today.
Yeah, lawyers for Megan Richards right now making their case to a jury for compensation for the traumatic brain injury they say she suffered in that crash. Again, jurors late this afternoon heard from a series of doctors about the severity of Megan's brain injury and the impact that capped off a full day of dramatic testimony.
It looked like something had hit a IED in Afghanistan.
That's how eyewitness and Army Sergeant William Robenolt described the aftermath of a horrific April 2015 truck crash on Interstate 16 that killed 5 Georgia Southern University nursing students. On Tuesday, Robenolt told a jury he pulled survivor Megan Richards from the fiery wreckage.
A lot of noise, a lot of people, very chaotic. So you could hear the fire from the car. You could hear things falling, melting and falling off the car.
Total Transportation of Mississippi and the truck driver John Wayne Johnson have both admitted responsibility, but Richards sued, seeking compensation for the traumatic brain injury her lawyers say she suffers from. On day 1 of testimony, the jury also heard from GSP troopers and investigators who responded to the crash, including the trooper who interviewed driver Johnson. Johnson wept as he listened to that recording.
For what it's worth, very sorry and wishful to the families and all. It is something that definitely not intentional. I can't explain why, how, what, and I'm being in shock right now. But
the jury heard from an engineer who described the high-tech methods he used to establish the violence of the crash.
It'd be like, riding a motorcycle at 47 miles per hour and running into the side of a wall.
Later, defense lawyers went after a tech expert on cross-examination over the math he used and the conclusions he drew from a data download to Johnson's phone before, during, and after the crash. So court's still going on. A lot for the jury to sort out here, even on day 1, even though both the trucking company and the truck driver, John Wayne Johnson, have accepted responsibility for the crash. Johnson, along with Megan Richards and her parents, could take the stand as soon as tomorrow. We're live in Bryan County. Aaron Diamond, Channel 2 Action News.
And we have more details on this case. The truck driver who caused the accident pleaded guilty to several charges, including 5 counts of first-degree vehicular homicide. As part of the plea deal, a judge sentenced John Wayne Johnson to 5 years in prison, followed by 5 years probation. Johnson also caused another crash 16 months prior to the deadly collision.